if we're really being realistic, at the time you were coming up, it was insane. It's like, this is not a career. Like, music wasn't something that people did for money. It was almost like you weren't serious, and then you're then now saying, okay, me, I'm not going to be an artist. I want to manage, the artist, and this is my job. Were there people who sort of like tried to discourage you from it?
Yeah, even it too. Everyone's story is different. Everyone's path is different. People always feel as if like you have to go a certain way to get certain goals. Without being condescending or like trying to sound like cocky. Like, I have friends who have gone to school and have PhDs now who work in 9 to 5 and are making peanuts. I'm like, okay, dude, okay, let's say at that point in time when everyone's like, oh, go to uni, stay in uni, do this, do that. I'm like, dude, one of my companies pays 45 people salaries a month, and that's only one of the businesses I run. If I do the math, I probably pay about 100 salaries a month, and I have no degree.